Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you, Bacha Party? Good, fine. Okay, always be fine and be safe. Be safe. Right, so let's start the study. We already started chapter 6, My Neighborhood. And in this chapter, I took my 3 lectures earlier. So I already made you learn what is neighbor and what is neighborhood. Right, and what is the main difference between neighbor and neighborhood, and what kinds of points, how many good things we should come in our mind when we will go to construct a house, when we will go to build a house. So all these things we already discussed in our previous 3 lectures, right? And my last lecture, we already learnt about the post office, right? So once again I am going to take a recap whatever we learnt in our previous lecture. So I already made you learn what is neighbors and what is neighborhood, and I am sure that you all are very clear about all these things. Neighbor means some families, those who are living nearby your house, those who are living in same colony, those who are living in same apartment, those who are living in same surrounding area. That is your neighbors, right? And neighbors are very important relation with among with you and your neighbors. It should be there, right? So because you are sharing so many good things with your neighbors, you are sharing so many good things with your neighbors, you're living your life happily with your neighbors. When you have a birthday party, then what? Then you will invite your neighbors. When any festival is there, then you will celebrate that festival with your neighbors, right? So a good relationship with your neighbor is very, very required. It's very needed, not only for you, it's for all of us, right? Then I made you learn about the neighborhood. What is neighborhood? Neighborhood means the place where we all are living. And there are 2 kinds of neighborhood places. First one is the natural features, right? First one is natural features. Natural features like trees, mountains, hills, rivers, lake, pond, and so many more. So these are the natural features. These all are the natural features. And second one is the man-made features, the artificial features, right? So why I am telling the man-made features? Because we are the creators. We human beings are the creator of all these things to make our life more easy, more convenient. So in this category, I already made you learn about the post office. Post office is a place where we can get the letters, where we can get the stamps, the envelope, the postcards, the parcels. So post office is a area, or post office is a place where we can get the letter. And before few years ago, that time there was no mobile phones, there was no computer and laptop. Nowadays, so we can talk directly, we can make the video calls and we can interact easily. But that time only the letters is the main is the main part of the communication. By writing the letters, we can exchange our thoughts, we can exchange our views. So, post office is a place where we can buy the stamps, envelope, postcards, and we can post the letter. I already made you learn in my previous lecture how we can write a letter on a postcard. What is necessary? Where we are to living in Khargone, but how my letter will reach in Bangalore, Bhopal or any other place of the country. So I already told you that when you will write a letter, mention the address. Address is the most important part of a postcard, which you should mention very properly. Then you will go to a letter box. Then there is a small window. You can get your letter inside that letter box, and the postman, he has the key of the letter box. He will come, he will open the lock and he will take out the key and collect all those letters, and then he will go to the post office. And the main job of a postman is that he will sort it out the letters. Then he will prepare the bunch according to the cities, according to the town, and then they will keep those letters on that particular bus, train or aeroplane. Transport so he can use by his own wish, right? So there the letters will reach to that particular city by using the van, by using the bus, by using the train, by using the aeroplane. And then you will get the letter for your area postman at your homes. So this process is very long and very big process, and I already told you to write a letter on the EVS notebook, EVS copy, and make the letter box. Hope you will do soon and you will send me. Right, okay. Why I told you to make this? Because I don't think so you have visited to a post office in your life. Hospital to you visited so many times. Bank to you visited with your parents so many times. But I don't think so you will visit it to a post office with your parents. That's why I told you that. Okay, now we will learn about the hospital. In today's lecture we will learn about the hospital and bank. Hospital and bank. Right? So today hospital. Today we are going to learn about hospital. Yes. So whatever is written in your book, first I will read for you and I will tell you to make it underline some word. That word you should underline there and there only. Get ready with your pencil and your book. Right? So, shall I start? Okay. Now, we go to hospital. We go to hospital when we fall sick. When we fall sick or get hurt. So this word fall sick or get hurt, you have to make it underline. These two words, fall sick or get hurt, these two words you will make it underline. Okay, it is very much correct written over here. We are not interested to go to a hospital. We all are afraid to go to hospital. We are not liking that. But Unfortunately, we are human beings. We can fall sick, we can get hurt. It is not in our hand. It is not in our hand. So we have to go to hospital when we will fall sick. It is very much correct written over here, right? And doctor and nurses treat us and look after us while we are there. So once again I will repeat what is written. Doctor and nurses treat us. This word treat, T-R-E-A-T, treat, make it underline. T-R-E-A-T, treat. Treat karna means उपचार करना. In Hindi we can call उपचार करना, right? So doctor and nurse treat us and look after us while we are there. That is the responsibility for a doctor or a nurse to take care of us when we are in under observation of them. That is the main job of a doctor. He or she should take care of the patients. And nurse is a very good take care, very good take care. She will give the medicines on time. Whatever prescription are given by a doctor, that is the duty of a nurse to give that medicines on time. And nurse is a very kind woman. She always help us. She always help us to take care of a patient. They always talk in a polite manner with their patients, right? So nurse has two good qualities. It should be there in a nurse. When we will talk about the nurse, so we talk about these two qualities. These two qualities should be there in a nurse. First one, nurse should be a soft-hearted. First one, a nurse should be a soft-hearted person. And second one is, she always should talk politely with the patient. See, patient means a person who fallen sick, who get injured, who get hurt, right? So he or she is already not feeling good. He already feeling sad. बेटा जो पेशेंट होता है ना, पेशेंट तो अगर आपको बुखार आया है, सपोज आई एम गिविंग अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल, इफ यू फॉलन सिक, if you have a fever or you ride a bicycle and you will fall down and you get hurt, so that time you will smile. अगर आपको बुखार आया है तो क्या आप हंसोगे, मुस्कुराओगे, खुश रहोगे? अगर आपको सिर में, हाथ में कहीं पर भी चोट लग गई है तो you feel happy, you feel so happy, you feel so proud. No, it's not like that. Why? Because we already fallen sick, we already have fever, we are already not feeling well, we are not feeling energetic. When we will get hurt, how we can feel happy? No, we can't. And a doctor and nurse in that condition, if a doctor and nurse will not talk with us very politely, so how we feel? We are not feeling good that time. We will not feel good. If any, See, if you will fall, if you will get hurt, है ना, if you will get hurt, then you come back to your home and mama will scold you. Mama will scold you. What happened? You are always doing like this only, always getting hurt, always getting hurt. Then you feel good? नहीं, आप तो सोचोगे कि यार मेरे को पहले से ही चोट लगी हुई है, ऊपर से मम्मी मुझे और डांट रही है. In that condition you will feel good? No. As like that, if you are getting hurt, if you are getting injured, if you will go to a hospital, then doctor will talk you very harassed. Doctor will not talk you from a polite manner. Nurse will not talk you with soft words. Then how you will feel? Definitely you will not feel good. So it is necessary to a doctor and a nurse to talk very politely. The words should be soft, right? Okay, now a hospital has many ambulance. This word ambulance is, many times you heard this word ambulance, but the spelling of ambulance, EMBULANCES, ambulance, is new for you. So you will make it underline this spelling, EMAMBULANCE, ambulance, AMBULANCE, ambulance. Make it underline there and there only. To bring patient in emergency. What is the work of an ambulance? When we will call an ambulance? When a person, those who are not well, there is an emergency, then we will call only the ambulance. Otherwise we are managing ourselves without ambulance. We will go with our parents, right? So ambulance is a kind of vehicle. Ambulance is a kind of vehicle which we all are using only in emergency. Only in emergency. And see, you can sign. See, have you seen this kind of sign and any other vehicle? Have you seen this kind of sign in any other vehicle? No, you haven't seen. You haven't seen, because this sign of you will get only in the ambulance. Only on the ambulance. This plus wala sign, it indicates, yes, this vehicle is related, this vehicle is associated with the hospital. This wala jo sign hai na beta, this wala sign, plus sign, is related with the hospital, is very much associated with the hospital only. And the ambulance is a kind of vehicle which is related with the hospital, which is directly related with an emergency, right? Suppose I have a fever, right? So fever is a small thing. That time I will not call ambulance. That time I will not call ambulance. I can manage myself. I can manage myself. I can manage my own vehicle. Then I will go to hospital by my own vehicle only. But if a person who will meet with an accident, a person who will meet with an accident, that time ambulance is required. That time ambulance is required for that injured patient. That is an emergency. That is an emergency. And what is the speciality of an ambulance? See, ambulance, I will give you an example. Khargone is a very small city, right? But when you will go to the market, especially in evening time, when you will go to a Khargone market, especially in the evening time, you can see lots of rush over there. You can see lots of rush over there. So what you feel that time? Suppose any person will meet an accident over there in the market, then whom policeman will call? A traffic policeman will call an ambulance. Then only ambulance will come. And in the rush, ambulance can go fast. Ambulance has a different kind of siren. Ambulance has a different kind of sound. Ooh, 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 ooh. This kind of sound has an ambulance. So, traffic police can alert, and traffic police can give the space to go that ambulance very, very fast to the hospital. Understand? Are you understanding? बेटा जो एम्बुलेंस होती है ना, एम्बुलेंस वी विल कॉल इन द इमरजेंसी ओनली, राइट? बट suppose there are lots of rush, lots of traffic on the way. There is lots of traffic on the way. So what will happen? How that ambulance will reach to the hospital? How the ambulance will reach to the hospital as soon as possible? But एम्बुलेंस इज द व्हीकल. एम्बुलेंस जो व्हीकल है ना बेटा, उसको देखकर एवरीबडी मूव अ साइड, एवरीबडी मूव अ साइड एंड गिव द प्लेस टू गो द एम्बुलेंस एज सुन एज पॉसिबल टू हॉस्पिटल, राइट? सो एम्बुलेंस वो होती है बेटा, वो गाड़ी होती है जो पेशेंट को इमरजेंसी में हॉस्पिटल तक जल्दी से जल्दी पहुंचा सकती है. जब एम्बुलेंस रास्ते में जाती है ना, तो अगर आप सपोज आप हो या कोई और XYZ पर्सन जो सड़क पर है या सड़क पे बहुत रश है, बहुत भीड़ है, तब भी लोग क्या करते हैं? एम्बुलेंस को जाने के लिए सबसे पहले रास्ता देते हैं, क्योंकि एम्बुलेंस में जो इंजर्ड व्यक्ति है, जिसने इमरजेंसी में एम्बुलेंस को बुलाया, उसके लिए उसकी एक एक मिनट कीमती होता है. उसकी जान बचाने के लिए, उसकी जान बचाने के लिए एक एक मिनट बहुत प्रीशियस होता है, बहुत कीमती होता है. इसलिए जहाँ पर भी एम्बुलेंस होती है, जहाँ पर भी एम्बुलेंस का साइन होता है, लोग फटाफट से ट्रैफिक में भी साइड हो जाते हैं और एम्बुलेंस को जाने के लिए, तेज़ गति से फास्ट वे में जाने के लिए रास्ता दे देते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? आर यू गेटिंग? होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, राइट? सो you can dial 102 for ambulance. What is the number which you can dial to get an ambulance? 104, 102. This is the number. When you will dial this number, then you will get an ambulance. So hospital is a place where the sick people will go to get the treatment. And the hospital you can find the doctors and the nurse, ward boys and all these. Okay, doctor, nurse and ward boys, and they all are the take care of the patient. Doctor treat us, doctor will write the prescription for us, and that prescription will follow by a nurse, followed by a nurse. Nurse will take care of us, and when there is an emergency, when there is an emergency, so we will call ambulance. We will call ambulance. An ambulance is a vehicle which we can get in emergency only, and when we will dial 102, we will get the ambulance. We will get the ambulance. Right? Understand? Okay, hope you understand. Now we will discuss about the bank. We will discuss about the bank. This wala we are going to discuss bank. First I will read the entire paragraph for you, then I will explain you. Right, so bank, yes. In class 2nd diamond there is a girl, Adhya Mittal. Both the parents, mama and papa, both are in bank. They are the bank employees. Right? So unfortunately this is not the regular school timing. That's why we cannot discuss with Adhya. But no matter, I will explain you. We can keep our money and other costly things safe in the bank. What is written in line number 1? We can keep our money and other costly things safe in the bank. So you have to make it underline this word. We can keep money and other costly things safe in the bank. So what is the main job of a bank? What surety bank give to the people is that we can keep our money safe in the bank. We can keep our money safe in the banks. And some bank has locker also. See mama, when you have marriage at your home, sometimes your mama, your badi mama, your bua, your chachi, they all are wearing the accessories. They are all are wearing the jewelry, gold, okay? Then diamond, these kinds of expensive jewelry they all are wearing, especially in the marriage at home. Right? So it is not safe to all of us to keep all the jewelries at home, because when you will go out from your home, when you will step out from your home, so it can be possible thief will come to your house and take all those jewelries, है ना. बहुत ज़्यादा जो महंगी और एक्सपेंसिव ज्वेलरीज होती है ना बेटा, वो हम घर में नहीं रखते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट सेफ टू अस, क्योंकि चोर अगर चोरी करके ले जाएगा तो बहुत बड़े अमाउंट में वी विल लॉस ऑल दीज थिंग्स. So it is not necessary to us, it is not good to us to keep all the expensive jewelries at homes. That's why we all are feeling is that ki we are feeling safe when we will keep our jewelry in the bank. Right? So bank is a place where we can feel safe. Yes, मेरा पैसा जो मैंने बैंक में रखा है ये सेफ है. मैंने जो मेरी ज्वेलरी, मेरे नेकलेस, my bangle, my earrings, my rings, my nose ring, whatever accessory, my bajuban, whatever jewelry we have, we can keep in the bank also. Here is in the bank there is a locker beta. In the bank there is a locker, and people can कीप द ज्वेलरीज इन द लॉकर. उस लॉकर में हम अपनी ज्वेलरी भी रख सकते हैं. एंड अदर important things. Nowadays all banks provide ATM services. See dear students, you have seen ATM so many times because most of these children are visited to ATM with the parents, है ना. When Papa has no money in his wallet, then Papa will go to ATM and take out the ATM card and enter, and that card he will kept inside the ATM, and what he will do, he will press the pin code of the ATM, and whatever amount he wants to take out, he will print that amount and he will take out the money. He will take out the money. We will discuss more deeply in the ATM. In my next lecture, I will make you learn so many things about the ATM and about the jewelry also. Okay, so ATM is a place where we can get the money. But it is necessary to us कि we should have the ATM card. Without ATM card, we are not able to take out the money from ATM, right? So ATM card is used to withdraw money from ATM machine at any part of the country at any time. Here I want to explain to you is that bank, after the hospital, number 2 bank will come. And bank is a place where we can keep our money. Bank is a place where we can keep our money, and we can keep our jewelry also. And we all human are feeling so very safe when we will keep our money, when we will keep our jewelry in that locker. And so many more things. Not only we can keep our jewelry, but we can keep our important documents also. We can keep the important documents also in the locker. Nowadays, beta, both the parents, mama and papa, both are in working. Nowadays, there are so many families where both the parents, mama and papa both are working, man and woman. So whole day they are spend their whole day out. They are spending their whole day in their office, in their school, in their working place. So they are not feeling safe. If they will keep their jewelry at home, anyone can take that jewelry. चोर कभी भी चोरी करके ले जा सकता है. Why? Because no one is at home. That's why it is necessary to the people keep their money and the jewelry as well as the important documents in the bank locker, right? And bank provide the ATM. ATM means a kind of a machine. ATM means a kind of machine which provide us the money, but it should be necessary to have the ATM card with us. Okay, when we will go to the ATM, you have so many times, you have seen to your papa so many times to taking out the money from the ATM. What they will do? They will go to the ATM, then they will insert the card, they will enter the card in the ATM, then some processes are written over there in the screen. First they will choose the language, Hindi or English, then they have to choose the bachat khata, saving khata, or these kinds of khatas, then they will click the amount. They have to print the amount, how much money he wants to take out, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. Then he will enter the code of the ATM, then money will come out. And one condition is there, we cannot take out the money from ATM more than 25,000 in a day. We cannot take out the more than 25,000 in a day. This is the rule of our country. This is the ATM rule, this is the bank rule, this is our country's rule, which we cannot break it, So एक दिन में हम 25,000 से ज़्यादा पैसा ATM से नहीं निकाल सकते हैं. This is the rule, and we should always follow the rule of the bank, rule of the society, rule of the school, rule of the home. Okay, everywhere has the rule. We should follow all the rules and the regulations, right? So today we will discuss only the hospital and the bank. Now my time is going to over. I am going to close my chapter. I am going to close my topic. So this learning is enough from today only, hospital and bank. In my next lecture we will learn about the being a good neighbor and place in the neighborhood, right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, keep reading, keep watching the videos, bye bye, love you bachcha party, bye.